Namaskar everyone. So welcome to our Scientific Temperament Cybersecurity Council's YouTube channel. So this tutorial is going to be a lot of fun, and we'll be doing a cool trick. So throughout the tutorial, we'll be learning how to hack Instagram. Is it? No, we will not be learning how to hack Instagram. So the tool which we will be learning to use is known as OSintgram. So this tool is known as OSintgram, and it's a Python based tool. So we can run this in any cloud console like Google Cloud or DigitalOcean Cloud or EC2, or we can run in VMware or in VirtualBox. So we'll be learning in Kali Linux. Once again, if you haven't checked the installation of Kali Linux and virtual machine in VirtualBox, so go check out the previous video. And in this video, we will be learning to install and we will be learning to use OSintgram, which is a Python-based tool in Kali Linux. You can install in Parrot Linux, any Debian-based distro as well. Okay. So this tool will not hack Instagram. We are not hacking Instagram. And fair warning, this is an educational purpose video only, so do not try to get information of the sources which we are not allowed to. So what this tool will be basically do is that we'll be collecting informations. That is, this one is an information gathering tool. We'll be collecting information of Instagram profiles. This tool will actually show how much details are available. These details are publicly available. We are not hacking anything. We are not doing any illegal stuff. But it's scary that how much information is available online, and we do not even know about that. Okay, so we'll be using this tool and we'll be installing the tool on Kali Linux. So what we'll need is that a Debian-based Linux system, that is Kali or Parrot, etc., and Python 3.6 we'll be using, and a dummy Instagram account. Okay, let's go to OSintgram, and here is the datalux OSintgram, and here is the code, and let's copy that. So just install Git if you do not have Git, and let's then copy the, then just clone the directory, git clone. So here is the OSintgram, and now we need to install Python 3. Just check whether it is installed or not, and then we'll be needing pip. Check whether it is installed or not. So next we'll be installing pip3 requirements.txt. Now we need to make the configuration directory dircunfig config. So it's stating it's already exists. Let me check config. Okay, cd config ls credentials.ini settings.json. So now we need to have the demo account, right? And we'll need we need to give the credentials to the credentials.ini file, nano credentials.ini. Okay, so the username is dambansu, this is dummy, and dambansu2021, control X, yes. Okay, so if you check whether it is there, so you can check it is there, right? So in previous versions, we had to create one username configuration file and the password configurations file, and there is also the settings.json. So just check nano settings.json, and if there is UUID, there is the UUID, and there is a device ID. So if you get some error, then you can just do one thing, that you can just clear all these details and just have this bracket, and it will sometimes it will remove that error. Okay, so now let's go to the base folder, and let's click Python 3. I have already Python 3 main.py, and let's create on the Scientific Temperament's official Instagram account. Okay, shall we? So this will just try to log in then, and we can check that logged in as Anshu and target is Scientific Temperament, and I am not following. So just type list and it will show the list command. It will show what are the options available. So just click on file Y, so it will save the files, and also JSON Y, so it will save the files. And let's check the Propic right first. Okay, so here is the tool and here is the output folder and here is the logo, right? So you can check there is the profile photo, right? So this will only search only the public profiles. It will not check the private profiles. Okay, so what we can do is that there are different commands, like there is the address one, there is the cache one, there is captions, and there is the comment data, there is followers, there is who is following, there is followers email, there is followings email, and followings numbers. Some of them might work, some of them may not work. And Propic I have already shown you, and there is the W commented, who get a list of users who commented targets photos, right? Let's check on followers, and cached 100 followers, and these are the followers, right? They have the ID, they have the username, and they have the full name, right? Sorry, misting tool kutung, something like that. So these are also saved in the output directory. So just check on the scientific temperaments followers.txt. You can check, right? Also, okay, let's try what else were there. Let's try the followers emails, right? Okay, it will ask whether you like to get all the email list. You can check Y and then it will show all the email list. It will take some time, and if you tell N, then it will ask how many emails would you like to get. So let's click on 10, right? So it will show. Okay, so here is the 10 emails, like username is Dipankar Talukdar, their full name is here, and email is here, right? And Lost Boy 4, Minmoy Kumar Sharma, mrrocks@gmail.com. So Pushpa Das, Pushpa.shiv, these are the like emails which we have found. And let's try another one. Okay, let's try to get the list of users who commented on targets photos, right? So these two have commented. The username is this and full name is this. So this one is in probably regional language, so this that's why it's not showing, right? Get the list of users tagged by the target. So you can check when these have like very critical information, so we can get through this, right? So emails are not usually being shown by the Instagram. So like we can get the emails and we can get the numbers if they are numbers. I think it will show some error, but let's try, right? Okay, catch 0 followers phone number, so we do not have phone numbers here. And let's try the address one. So these have found two addresses, right? Bishwanath Chayali, Bishwanath Assam, Kalyani Nagar, Dispur, Kamrup. So these are the commands which we can check to get different information regarding one Instagram account. So we can also get the let's try the last one, info. So this is the information, right? Verified account, whether it is verified account or not. No, it's a business account. The email is this, and profile pic is this, and contact phone number is this. So this is not actually some this is not the information we look through always, right? Through the tool we can get this much of data. So this is not quite good, right? This is not actually hacking. We are not cracking anything. We are not logging into another's account, but this one is a vital information gathering tool. So with the help of this tool, we can gather as much as information available in the Instagram account. If you check other people's account, then you will be getting a lot more information. So once again, this video is only for educational purpose only. This tutorial is only for education purpose, and do not try to do any kind of illegal stuff, right? So this is scary. There are many tools. There are a few more other tools like this, but this one is one of my favorite. So you can get so many kind of information which is not quite good for the for your privacy, right? So just check whether the informations you have given in Instagram are quite okay to be shared in publicly or not. Because if you check, if specifically in India, if you just click on the search option in the Instagram app, so you'll be getting a lot of like non-good photos and videos which will harm you or your family in a certain way. So we should be aware of our surroundings, digital surroundings, and we should be aware of our digital footprints, right? And we will try to we should try to minimize the digital footprints as much as possible. Else, like throughout these informations, anyone will anyone can get this kind of informations from internet, and they may try to do some illegal stuff. They may try to do some kind of harm to you, so which is not preferable, right? So this is the basic tool, and we have learned to use the OSintgram, and we'll do some other cool stuff in the next videos. Till then, sayonara. Okay, thank you, have a good day.